Welcome everyone to a new video where we tackle tough topics together. AatmaGuru Korak Day welcomes you to our channel. Today's journey takes us to a place that's often uncomfortable yet incredibly important. Understanding how to handle people who ridicule you. Learning to navigate this terrain is not just about surviving social, family, work, and emotional situations, it's about empowering ourselves. It's about fostering resilience to boost our self-esteem, and as AatmaGuru says, not to let anyone use their power over you. It's about transforming those moments of ridicule into stepping stones for growth and self-improvement. It's time, Korak Day affirm, to make your this life best life. So, buckle up as we dive into ways to manage those who ridicule you. First off, let's try to understand why people resort to ridicule. Often, it's a manifestation of their own personal insecurities or discomfort. They may feel threatened or jealous and employ ridicule as a defense mechanism, trying to bring others down to elevate themselves. It's a classic case of, if I can't have it, neither can you. Then, there's the bully archetype. These individuals thrive on power dynamics, deriving pleasure from belittling others. They use ridicule to assert dominance, to make themselves feel bigger and more powerful. Often this is used by elders on children and youth on the elderly, as AatmaGuru observed. And let's not forget the bandwagon effect. Sometimes people ridicule others simply because they see someone else doing it. This happens often in school/college/job situations. They follow the herd, not because they genuinely harbor ill feelings, but because they fear being the next target. Remember, the reasons behind ridicule are often more reflective of the person doing the ridiculing, rather than the one being ridiculed. While understanding the reasons doesn't justify the ridicule, it helps us to cope better. AatmaGuru Korak uses Atma Intelligence AI Plus to guide people suffering from this. Click the link in the description to join our Gen A Hub with a free 1-to-1 call or comment below with, "Yes, I want to learn AI Plus now." Now that we've understood why people ridicule, let's focus on how to handle it. We're going to explore some techniques that can help you navigate through these situations with grace and resilience. Firstly, consider the option of ignoring the ridicule. Now, this doesn't mean you're weak or that the words don't affect you. It's a conscious choice you're making to not give power to the negativity. By denying the ridicule your attention, you're essentially saying that it's not worth your time. This can often disarm the person ridiculing you, as they're not getting the reaction they were hoping for. Then, there's the technique of standing up for oneself. This doesn't involve lashing out or retaliating with more negativity. It's about expressing your feelings calmly and assertively. You could say something like, "I don't appreciate being spoken to in that way." This sends a clear message that you respect yourself and won't tolerate disrespect from others. People of Bharat who practice Sanatan Dharma have asserted this upon its devilish rulers from Christian and Islamic worlds, who humiliated, bullied, and did evil upon the citizens of India. This has become an example for the entire humanity to follow now. Another approach is to use humor to diffuse the situation. This isn't about laughing off the ridicule or making light of your feelings, but rather, turning the tables by making a clever, witty comeback. This can often catch the ridiculer off guard and lighten the mood. Write, "Yes, I will do this," in the comment below, to encourage others. Of course, every situation is unique and sometimes it can be beneficial to seek help from trusted individuals. This could be a friend, a family member, or even a professional counselor, or best in AatmaGuru. Sharing your experiences and feelings with someone who cares about you can provide a fresh perspective and emotional support. Lastly, practice self-compassion. Understand that everyone, including you, has flaws, and it's okay. Don't let the ridicule define you or your worth. Remind yourself of your strengths and achievements. Use the ridicule as a stepping stone to grow and become stronger. In his Gen A Hub, Korak Day always tells people that your smart reaction to a stupid ridicule can empower you and deflate the effects of the ridicule. You have the power to choose how you respond to negative situations. Use it wisely. But what if we could build a shield against ridicule? Let's explore that. Building resilience is like constructing an invisible fortress around your psyche, shielding you from the negative effects of ridicule. It starts with developing a strong sense of self. Know who you are, what you stand for, and where you're going. Set your goals and aims in life early with the help of parents or even with Selfless AatmaGuru. This self-understanding acts as your fortress's foundation, making it harder for others' words to shake you. Next, practice self-care. This doesn't just refer to bubble baths and yoga sessions, although those can certainly help. It means taking care of your mind, body, and spirit. Eat healthily, exercise, meditate, read, and do things that bring you joy. Will you do this? Type "Yes, I will." Comment below. These actions strengthen the walls of your fortress, making them resistant to ridicule's corrosive effects. Lastly, surround yourself with positive influences doing positive works in life. This AatmaGuru sums up as Paropkar, which in English is selfless love. He has a Selfless Love Action Club WhatsApp group. Do you care to join it? If yes, then write in the comment box, "I want to join the Slack group." These are the people who will stand with you in your fortress, lifting you up when you're down and offering a shield when ridicule arrows fly your way. They are your support system, your cheerleaders, your confidants. Building resilience isn't a one-day task, but a continuous process that will eventually pay off. Dealing with ridicule isn't easy, but remember, you're stronger than you think. We've covered a lot today, from understanding the reasons behind ridicule to the techniques you can use to handle it. Remember, building resilience is key. It's not just about weathering the storm, but learning to dance in the rain. What do you think about this? Write your feelings in the comment section below. Handling ridicule in a healthy manner is crucial for your mental health and self-esteem. So, take these lessons to heart and keep moving forward. And now, we'd love to hear from you. How have you dealt with ridicule in the past? Share your experiences in the comments below. Together, we can learn and grow. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more insightful content. Until next time, take care.